All right, I want to welcome you guys back to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. My name is Mr. Griffin. Today we're going to go over how to assemble a TIG torch. Okay, for those of you guys who are beginners and just learning TIG for the first time, I'm going to break down how you assemble your torch. Okay, if you're doing what we call high frequency TIG, you have a TIG torch. First thing you want to do is put what we call a collet body on there. You screw this in right here in the front. It's called a collet body. Okay. Then next, you want to use what we call a collet. This is the thing that holds the tungsten. Okay. We're using a 1/8 collet because we're going to use a 1/8 tungsten. Okay. This right here is a thoriated tungsten. This one is actually radioactive. A lot of people are starting to use the E3 in the place of this one. Okay, but this is called a thoriated tungsten. You see how we have it real sharp, like a pencil. Okay, this is how sharp you want to have it. All right, you put it in right here. Then you want to put your cap on there. The cap kind of helps keep everything in place. Okay, you don't want to screw it all the way in just yet. Then you want to put your cup on there. Okay. Once you put your cup on there, you can kind of adjust where you want your tungsten to be and tighten it down. Kind of adjust exactly where you want it to be and tighten it down. Okay. That's how you do your tungsten. You want to keep that right at about that. It should be about 1/8 of an inch sticking out right there. Okay. This also you can maneuver the head of the gun, but that is a simple way for you to assemble your TIG torch. Today we're gonna connect our welding machine to our TIG torch. So I'm gonna break down the entire process of how you would need to connect it. Okay. First thing you normally want to do is you want to take your leads. Okay. We're gonna start off with our ground wire. Okay, so you're going to connect your ground wire. You want to connect that here because you always want to make sure you got a good ground. Normally you can kind of dust it off. Make sure it's clean because otherwise it won't strike when you're trying to use it. Okay, so you want to make sure you have a good ground. Okay. Then, for your ground wire, you want to connect this in the positive lead. You want to connect this right here in the positive outlet. Okay. You see we have this connected right here in the positive. All right. Then you're going to take your electrode holder. Okay. We're going to actually connect this into the negative outlet. Okay, once you connect your leads, you turn your machine on right here in the back. Once you turn your machine on, press right here in the middle. Normally it takes you to the home screen. Okay, when you get to the home screen using the ESOP, they have different options. You can go from MIG to flux core, stick, or TIG. We're going to do TIG today. Okay, so you press the TIG option. Okay, you're ready to go. This is where you adjust your amperage right here up top. Right now it's on 103. You can adjust it wherever you want it to be right here. Okay. All right, now that we have that connected, now you want to connect your gun. Okay. So this right here is called an adapter. Okay. You're going to connect the electrode holder to the adapter portion. Okay, this goes on the adapter. All right. Then you're going to take the other part of the hose and connect it to your 100% argon. Okay. 100% argon is normally what's used when you're doing TIG welding. Remember, the letters TIG stand for tungsten inert gas. Okay. Okay. Once you tighten that on, take your crescent wrench. Make sure you got it on there nice and snug. Okay. Okay, once you have that connected, now we want to connect our foot pedal. Okay. So your foot pedal will be connected right here in the front of the east side machine. Okay. That's where you want to connect your foot pedal. Okay, once you have that connected, kind of move some of these additional wires out of our way so you guys don't get confused. Okay, so now we're getting ready to do a little bit of TIG. All right, remember, here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School, if you have any other questions on how to disassemble welding equipment, no matter if you're using stick, MIG, TIG, flux core, drop a comment below and maybe we can make a video out of your question. And remember, here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School, we're more than just an educational facility. It's a lifestyle.